Happy learning, students, from St. Mary Primary School. I am Mrs. Akshita Shenoy, and our topic for today is The Fort is Captured but the Lion is Dead, Part 2. In the first part, we saw how Shivaji Maharaj wanted to take back Kondana Fort and how Tanaji Malusare was appointed for the same work. How Tanaji with his brother Suryaji planned to attack the fort of Kondana from different parts of the fort, over the precipice and into the fort. It was a dark night. Tanaji and his men were gathered at the foot of the precipice. The sound of the crickets could be heard all around. 5 or 6 members of Tanaji's party started to scale the precipice. It was indeed very high and steep, but somehow they managed to get a foothold in the rock, pulled themselves up and pushed their fingers into rock crevices and began the difficult and dangerous climb. Slowly but surely they reached the top. As soon as they were on safe ground, they tied a thick rope to a strong tree and let it down the precipice. The others took hold of the rope and climbed up on the top like monkeys. Student, this was Tanaji's plan that one of the troop will go to the steep valley-like precipice and climb from there, and the other team will come from the Kalyan gate, which is the front gate of the fort, and they will fight from both the sides so that they can enter the fort. The Kalyan gate must be opened by one group. They implemented the plan exactly how it was decided and started climbing the steep, high and difficult precipice, but anyhow they reached climbing on the rock, and they tied a rope to the tree and threw it down so the other soldiers can also climb up. Tanaji's valor. By now Suryaji had reached the Kalyan gate. He waited there for the doors to open. The battle on the fort started. Udaybhan heard of the attack. The battle drum was sounded. Udaybhan's garrison attacked Tanaji's men. A grim battle started between the two forces in the light of dancing torches. The Maulas opened the doors of the Kalyan gate. Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Udaybhan attacked him. Both were very brave and the battle between them was fierce. Tanaji's shield was broken, so he tied his upper garment around his defended hand to parry Udaybhan's blow and continued the fight. In the end, both were mortally wounded and fell fighting. Students, here the description of battle is given, how the fight between Udaybhan and Tanaji was and between their men. What happened that Udaybhan after the attack heard about the attack and the battle drums were sounded so that whole fort know that the battle is going on. All the troops attacked each other and the battle began. Tanaji was a strong man. He was fighting very bravely. Udaybhan started attacking him. Both were fighting very bravely. They both were equally strong. What happened? Tanaji's shield broke. Shield is what protects you from the blow of the enemy. So Tanaji tied his upper garment, means shirt or kurta, on his hand so that he can protect himself from Udaybhan's sword attack. The soldiers opened the front gate, that is the Kalyan gate, and the other troop of soldiers also came inside. Both Tanaji and Udaybhan were very severely injured. Mortally means near to death. Next paragraph. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. With the death of Tanaji, the Maulas found themselves without a leader and began to retreat. By then, Suryaji and his men had arrived on the scene of battle. Suryaji was deeply grieved to know his brother was dead. But he had no time for grief. He had to continue the fight. He cut off the ropes by which the Maulas were climbing the fort. Then he stood in the path of the retreating Maulas and said, "Don't you see that your father is lying dead here on the battlefield? Are you not ashamed to run away like a bunch of cowards? Turn back and fight, for I have blocked your retreat by cutting off the ropes by which you climbed up. The only choice before you is either to jump to your death over the precipice or to turn back and fight to destroy the enemy." The great Tanaji Malusare sacrificed his life for Shivaji Maharaj and for Swaraj. After that, Tanaji's death demotivated the soldier and soldiers started running back. Suryaji was also very sad on his brother Tanaji's death, but there was no time for grief. The enemies were standing right in front of them. So Suryaji cut the rope which were tied to the tree for the Mavlas to climb and on which the Mavlas were planning to retreat, means go back. He motivated and encouraged the soldiers on the name of Tanaji and the cause of the battle. He said to the soldiers that I have cut the rope. Now there are only two options in front of you. Whether you can jump down, which will cause your death anyway, or you can turn back and fight the enemies and destroy the enemies with bravery as your leader did it. As Tanaji died, fighting the enemy and not giving up in any cause, which is for Swaraj. Next paragraph. So the Mavlas returned to the fight and attacked the enemy. A fierce battle raged. The Mavlas untimely conquered the fort, but in the process had lost their brave and lion-hearted leader, Tanaji. Jijamata and Shivaji Maharaj heard the news. They were struck with grief. Shivaji Maharaj expressed his sorrow in a single sentence: "The fort is won, but the lion is dead." After Suryaji's motivation to the soldiers, the Mavlas fought very bravely, similarly to their leader, and they won the battle. But sadly, they lost a very good leader, fighter, and a brave man, that is Tanaji Malusare. Also, when Jijamata and Shivaji Maharaj heard about the death of Tanaji, they were sad and deeply grieved. Shivaji Maharaj expressed his sadness in a sentence, that is, "The fort is won, but the lion is dead." He meant that they have already won recaptured the fort of Kondana, but their lion-like leader, officer like Tanaji Malusare is lost, and it is a great loss. So Kondana became Sinhagad in memory of great warrior who gave his life to recapture it. This event took place in 1670. Later on, Shivaji Raje personally went to Umrete and performed the wedding of Raiba. Shivaji called Tanaji lion. Lion in Marathi is called Sinha. So the name of the fort became Sinhagad in memory of Tanaji Malusare, so that the history can always remember him as a brave man. In the beginning of the lesson, we read that it was Tanaji's son's Raiba's wedding for which invitation was given to Shivaji Maharaj. Now, the father cannot attend the son's wedding because he is dead in the great cause of Swaraj. Now, Shivaji Maharaj went to the wedding personally and performed the wedding as the father of Raiba in the place of Tanaji Malusare. The Kondana fort was captured in 1670. So this chapter of Shivaji's life of recapturing Kondana was dedicated to Tanaji Malusare, a great fighter and leader who sacrificed his life for the Swaraj and loyalty towards Shivaji Maharaj. Thank you. Keep learning. Bye bye. See you soon.